Hey there! Here, you will learn how to use PBX Stats credentials to register your agent in a third-party softphone. We will explain where to find the PBX Stats credentials you need and how to use them for registering a fixed or ad hoc device. Before we start, you might want to learn more about devices or extensions and their types. You can refer to the guide by the link. To start making calls via your PBX, you take credentials from PBX Stats and enter them in the chosen softphone application or an IP phone. To demonstrate the flow, we will use Zoiper. Let's start with the steps you need for both fixed and ad hoc devices. On the Devices page, select the device you want to register and take credentials from the device and password columns. Then, start Zoiper. Enter the device ID and password and click Login. In the next window, enter your host name. It is your PBX domain name followed by pbx.compeak.com. Perform all the further steps in Zoiper to register the device. If you are using a fixed device, you can start working right now. Dial phone numbers or receive calls to your softphone. For ad hoc devices, you will have to take a few more steps. You need to log in as an agent. To get the agent's credentials, go to Configuration and select Agents. Choose the agent who will be using the previously targeted registered device and take their credentials from the login and password columns. In Zoiper, dial *11 to start the agent login process.
Please enter your extension, then press pound.
Now, using voice prompts, dial the agent's login and password, each followed with a pound sign.
Please enter your password, followed by the pound key.
You will hear a voice message informing you that the agent is logged in.
Thank you. Agent logged in.
After that, you are ready to get started. At the end of the shift, log out by dialing *12 on the keypad.
Agent logged off.
If later you want to register another device, enter new credentials as follows. Go to Settings, click Accounts, and then select the account you are currently using. Under SIP Credentials, update any necessary fields and confirm your changes. Now you are ready to go. Good luck!